I haven't been feeling well the past couple of days, and this morning was pretty bad. But truly coming out here with my chickens, even when it's a little bit hot outside, it kind of does, it is like therapy. And that's not dirty, that's electrolytes. It was really hot the other day, and we think Goldie got really dehydrated. So we gave her medicine, we checked her butt and her booty, and we checked her feathers and everything for mites. And she's really perking up, and she has a bunch of color in her face again. She was acting very lethargic the other day, and she was just so pale, and I was really worried, but she has so much more pink in her now. And her tail feather is up. Her tail feather was kind of hanging down in a weird way, but look, it's all perked up now. And Tater Tot's throwing a fit. Oh, Pickens is gonna go lay. Everybody's favorite rooster. Hi, Tater. Mr. Tot.